Imagine yourself in this 2008 Jeep Patriot Sport. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 doors, air conditioning, clock, in-radio display, external temperature display, front seat type, bucket, front-wheel drive, head airbags, curtain first and second row, passenger airbag, power steering and rear bench seats. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.